something you didn't want to dig maybe your compound or anything, this is what you can do. I'm going to level here, leveling here. Ija tuleta omupiira guno weewo otagula by'omusiri. You can ride it alone. My sons used to ride it themselves. So let's put it here. Now, bring the polythene bags. We are not going to put the mushrooms in contact with the tire. No. Let them go. Where of recycling and this one should look smart. Still we did it under the someone told me that if you didn't have this, you can use a mattress. And a mattress is always cold and holds a lot of water. But I do not have that mattress to waste. So this is how I've done it. Put some cuts here to ensure that the mycelium can go through. If someone's having to look too much. So let's wait and cover. Let's wait and see what happens. Much love to you.